Here are the top 10 exercises to build a strong upper body. Number 1, weighted pull-up. Targets the lats, biceps, and upper back. Number 2, Smith military press. Strengthens the shoulders, triceps, and upper chest. Number 3, barbell bent over row. Works the back, biceps, and core. Number 4, weighted dips. Targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Number 5, deep push-ups. Engages the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 6, barbell curl. Isolates and strengthens the biceps. Number 7, cable lateral raise. Focuses on the deltoid muscles in the shoulders. Number 8, bench press. Develops the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 9, cable tricep push down. Isolates and tones the triceps.